All right, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how I take this chunk of aluminum and I turn it into this carb support bracket using our CNC mill over here.
Woo! Got a full pack of smokes, been a hot day, so I have a couple totes. And I'm going out to get myself a beer. Got me howling at a full moon, listening to good tunes. Windows roll down as I drive around my town, and I'm laying rubber and I'll forgive as I pull up to my drinking hole. Lined up outside the door, slap a couple glasses and wink a few winks. Go inside and get me a drink. Sitting at my bar stool, following my one rule: never get up until you're down a dozen bottles. As ladies pour in, open up the throttle. And I'm damn sure that body's real. Come on, baby, won't you come on home with me? I'm a real man.